In this video, I'll be going over how to find absolute value. Absolute value is how far of a distance from zero, or from the expression you can simply remove the negative value. Below are 6 examples, and we'll go over each one of them. Now we have a number line above, and we'll show how the absolute value is related to the distance from zero. For the first example, the absolute value of -6, the two lines outside are the absolute value. So it's basically -6 between the lines. And if you want to see where -6 is, it's right here. And how far is that from zero? You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer for this is 6. Now, if you just simply remove the negative value here, then we could just be able to find the answer as 6 as well. Now, for the second example, we have a +5. Now, a +5 absolute value, it will be here, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces from 0. So the answer is 5. Now, since there's no negative value from the 5, so you could also know the answer is 5 because it doesn't have any negative value in it. For number 3, we have a -2 minus -3 inside the absolute value. So -2 minus 3 is -5. And what is the absolute value of -5? If we simply take out the negative, we know the answer is 5. Now, if we want to actually plot the dot, -5 is right here, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5 as well. So either way, the answer is 5. For number 4, we have a -9 plus 10 inside the absolute value. And so if we take -9 plus 10, we will have a +1. And +1 inside the absolute value, it would be 1. Just like if it was on the number line, it would be just 1 space to 0. For number 5, we have a -2 times by 5 inside the absolute value. The first part we want to do is always solve for the expression inside within the absolute value. So we would take the -2 times by 5, that gives us -10. Then we would find the absolute value of -10. And since -10 here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spaces, we know it's 10. And the same way by removing the negative value, we also have 10. And so that's the answer for number 5. Now for the 6th example, we have a fraction of -10 over 2. So we need to first solve what's inside, and that would be -10 divided by 2. We have -5 within the absolute value, and we know -5 would become 5 by removing the negative value. And if you want to do it from the number line, -5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 6 examples are how you would find the absolute value of an expression. It's simply how far of a distance from 0, or you may simply remove the negative value. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.